Craig Powers from ASUGNews, hearing from ASUG members about HR transformation projects.
What was key for me was that all three panelists here were in an HR operations, employee services, shared services type of role. We spoke to Mike Ettling, president of SAP SuccessFactors, and several customers about digital transformation and what that means for human resources. He had spoken with a number of CHROs recently who said that the CIOs are holding them back. And the battle is really about change between the HR business partners and IT.
But that's massive cultural change. And you need a methodology and approach to figure out, what is standard, what do you need to configure, what do you perhaps need to build extension apps for.
Rar Barbagast from Timken joined us to talk about their digital transformation, which began several years ago as a result of splitting their company into two. So their driver was to rebuild their workforce and rebuild talent through the products and the services that they were going to offer employees.
So man, if you just take the out-of-box stuff, you can fly.
Yeah.
You can actually go faster than what your people can absorb the changes. So you actually have to watch the other side of it. Am I going too fast?
Shakti Jahur joined us from Pepsico. Their story is different. Their story is really one about continual change management. They've been on a long path for business transformation. With 22 brands in 82 countries and 275,000 employees, their story is going to go on for quite a bit longer.
The difficult part is harmonizing, standardizing data, processes, and all of that stuff across the board.
Laurel Blindy from American Airlines joined us, and he spoke about why they're doing SuccessFactors Employee Central. They recently merged with US Airways, and so their goal was to bring those two unique cultures together and to eliminate many outdated and paper-intensive processes.
A lot of baggage, as I said. You've got a system that's 20 plus years old, and it's all internally customized. So the speed and nimbleness is what really was one of the things we talked about. Are some unique things. We're going to end up doing a little bit more customization than maybe we would like to out of the box, but those are primarily to transfer how our system works with our WorkBrain payroll system and that sort of thing.
What seems pivotal to me with all of these companies is that each of these gentlemen that joined our panel are part of an HR operations organization within their companies. So we're not talking to the CHROs, but we're talking to a group of people who manages operations day in, day out to make sure that the systems and the people processes are working together in tandem.